which might not. You might have like a little bit peeking through here or there, but it wouldn't be a consistent sort of like water pressure.
Yeah, I wonder how that even got nicked like that.
I don't know.
How long has it been that way? Or you just never noticed?
I never noticed. I take a shower in the other one. This is for
Baths.
this is for the lady. Yeah, and she does. Yeah, we've never used this as a bathtub. We always she's always showered in here.
Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, it kind of sucks that I can't see anything. All right, so well, show me around what's over that way at least.
That's the next door neighbors.
That's their wall right over there. So there's, I just can't believe showers are back to back like that. With nothing
I've
in
never
between.
been over there, so I don't know if it's. But yeah, there's no access panel.
Yeah, but
I'm telling you, there's no access panel. This would be the opposite side. So like the foot of the tub is this way.
so it would be behind there.
The
Potential access would be right. So it looks like probably the wall be right behind the tub is right around here, outside in the hallway. We're thinking, because like you said, when you look in behind the water tank, the shower would be right behind here, right?